Hey guys, so welcome back to my channel. I hope you're all doing well. It has been a long time since I have posted a long form video on here, or like a regular format video. I've been posting a lot of shorts, but it's been a long time since I posted a video like this. I am 4 months postpartum, and let me tell you that this is not easy. I struggle to, find time for myself and find time in my day to do things still, so bear with me. This is a real big learning curve, so I'm still getting used to this. But in any case, I do have a very exciting video for you guys today. In case you missed it, Boxycharm and Ipsy recently had a merger. So what that means is that Boxycharm is now under the Ipsy family umbrella. They are still Boxycharm, you still get Boxycharm boxes, you still get all the perks that Boxycharm has. However, they are now called Boxycharm by Ipsy. So I believe that you can customize your boxes and everything all on the Ipsy app, or all under Ipsy rather than Boxycharm. You get a lot more perks with the two. You get access to more member exclusive sales and customizations and all that fun stuff. So just today I got this box in the mail with a bunch of Ipsy boxes and products inside. So it came with 3 boxes here, well, 2 boxes and a poly mailer. But in any case, so I know that one of these is the Ipsy Glam Bag for May. I know that one of them is my Boxycharm for May, and I believe the other one is the Ipsy Icon box for May. So I believe that the theme for this month is Let Yourself Bloom, and it talks all about SPF. So I have a feeling there's gonna be a lot of SPF products in these boxes this month. But in any case, we will start out with this one because I know for sure that this is the Ipsy Glam Bag for May 2023. So it comes in a poly mailer. Oh, how cute. And we got this little bag for this month. This is very like summer chic to me. The colors and everything. Okay, so we have our 5 or 6, let me see. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yes, so we have our 5 products inside, and the Ipsy Glam Bag, if you don't know, is 5 sample size products each month, which is great. I like that actually, because you can try out a product, and if you like it, you can go buy the full size rather than having a ton of full size products that you may or may not like. So here's what we got. Here they are here. Let's start with this one because it is from a brand that I know and love. It is from First Aid Beauty. This is their Eye Duty Niacinamide Brightening Cream. So it is an eye cream from First Aid Beauty. I have never tried this eye cream actually, but currently on my counter in my bathroom is the First Aid Beauty Cleanser, which I absolutely love. I love it so much. I also used a makeup remover, and like, I don't know if it's like oil cleanser, I don't know, but it's a makeup remover recently from First Aid Beauty, and I love that as well. Next, from Ciate London, again another brand that I love, this is their Velvet Skin Cream Blush. Have I tried this? I think I may have this in full size. Let me see. Okay, so I don't have their Velvet Skin Cream Blush. I have their Dewy Blush, which is a glossy cheek tint. So this is the Velvet Skin Cream Blush in the shade Sassy. Let me see if I can swatch it. There's just a tiny little bit. Wow, it's very pigmented. Let me see. This will look good for me in the summer. Right now I'm still, oh, it blends in very nicely actually. So I still think I'm a little too pale for this right now, but in the summer when I'm really tan, this I think will look really good. Next, from the brand Kismet, I've never heard of this one. This is their, I guess it's just a lip gloss or something. Some kind of lip. Kismet Cosmetics, this is the shade Baby. Here it is here. I mean, it looks like a very nice shade. Let's swatch it. You know, I'll just put it on my lips. I don't have anything on. I actually like that a lot. It's very like buttery. It's not sticky. And I like the shade. Like, it's not like too much. So Kismet so far is good in my book. If you've ever tried this brand, let me know. I'm gonna have to look them up on Instagram. Okay, next from Jasmine Beauty, or Jasmine? I'm gonna assume Jasmine. Jasmine Beauty, this is the Illuminating Highlighter in the shade Oh Mom. So here it is here. I feel like if this is a sample size, this is quite big. I wonder what like the real size looks like. Here it is. Oh, that's very nice. I don't know if you can see it in the camera, but it's very subtle. I like that. Again, I never heard of this brand, so if you haven't, you've tried it out, let me know. Lastly, a brand that I do know, this is from the NewCo. This is their Brightens and Even Skin Filter Serum with phytoretinol. I don't know if I've tried this. I feel like I have a few products from the NewCo, but I don't know if this is one of them. I don't think it is, so I'm excited to try this. I'm all about skincare lately because my skin needs it. I mean, during pregnancy, my skin was great, but postpartum, my skin is not so great. So I'm trying to get it back to where it was when I was pregnant, which I know isn't gonna be totally possible because hormones and all that, but I can try. So that was the Ipsy Glam Bag. I mean, if I subscribed to just this, I think I'd be pretty content because I got some good stuff in here to try out. And I for sure like the lip and the velvet blush from Ciate. I think they're great. I can't wait to try the other ones. Next we had this box. I'm gonna have to assume this is the Boxycharm just because this box is bigger, so I have a feeling that's the Icon box. So I'm gonna assume this one's the Boxycharm box. They're not labeled, so we're gonna find out. Okay, so it says here, discover yourself. It doesn't say Boxycharm or anything, but there's 5 products inside, so I'm gonna have to assume that it is the Boxycharm because I believe the Icon box comes with like 8 or something like that. So here we go. Here is the Boxycharm from May 2023. The one thing about Ipsy and Boxycharm merging is the Boxycharm box don't come with that little insert anymore that tell me a little bit about each product and how much they cost. So I'm gonna look it up as I go so I can give you guys the like an estimate of how much the box is worth. Okay, first from Cab Cosmetics, this is their hydrating setting mist. Let me tell you right now that I haven't tried anything from this brand that I haven't loved. They have a lip oil that is still to this day my favorite lip oil of all times. And this is actually great timing because the setting spray that I'm using right now is about to run out and then I don't have any more because I've used them all up. So this is great timing. Here it is here. I haven't tried their setting spray before, but again, I have high hopes because I haven't received a product from them yet that I didn't like. Okay, so according to their website, this is cruelty-free, it is suitable for all skin types, it is hand-picked and formulated, and has safe ingredients, and it's worth $28, so that's a good deal. Next we have Iconic London, again, a brand that I love. This is their Beachside Babe eyeshadow palette. Let's see here. Ooh, very nice. This definitely gives beachy vibes. Like you got some blues, you got some like sun colors, some sandy colors. I really need to swatch this Vacay Glow. This one right here. Ooh, look at that. That is really, really nice if you could see it. That swatches really well. Oh, I can't wait to see what that looks like on my eyelid. Okay, so according to Ipsy's website, actually, this is worth $40. It says, bring out the beachy vibes any time of the year with this Glam 12 shade eyeshadow palette inspired by a tropical vacay with velvety matte and buttery shimmer shades. This palette helps you to create endless day to night looks in a matter of minutes. So far, we are up to $68 for this box and we only looked at 2 products. Next from the brand Dominique, I actually have an eyeshadow palette from this brand from one of my Boxycharm boxes and I love it. This is the Smooth and Blur Setting Powder in the shade Translucent. Here it's here, very nice packaging. I'm not going to open it because I know these powders are a mess, but I just actually started using some setting powders. I really didn't before, but I've started using them lately and I like them. Okay, so according to the Dominique Cosmetics website, this is worth $22, so that's what? $90. We're up to $90. Next we have a trio cotton candy set. It looks like a brush set from, I can't, SL Miss Glams? I think this is an SL. Something Miss Glam, and it says stay sparkly. Let's see. Okay, so we have a precise face brush, a flat face brush, and an eye blending brush. So here they all are. Here, these are very soft, they're very nice. Okay, so it is SL Miss Glam. This is their cotton candy trio set, and according to Ipsy's website, this is worth $38. And I just looked them up, this brand online, and they've got a lot of really nice brush sets. I've never heard of them before. If you've tried them, let me know. Oh, okay, so the last product in this Boxycharm is from a brand that I love. It's Frank Body. This is their coconut coffee scrub. It's an exfoliator for smooth, glowing skin. I've actually never tried like one of their scrubs like this. It was like a vitamin C like mask. And then there was also another like body lotion that I really liked. Let me see how much this is worth. Okay, so according to the Frank Body website and Ulta, this is about worth $20. So that puts us at what? That puts us at about like $158 for this whole box, which is awesome. I'm really excited to try this actually. I think I'm gonna have to try this tomorrow. So overall, I think that's a good box. It was a little makeup heavy. We only have one skincare product, which I typically like getting the skincare products, but again, I will totally take the makeup products. So grateful to Ipsy and Boxycharm as always for sending me these. So in total, this box was worth like about $158. I think that's a pretty good deal for what you're paying for this box. Again, really excited about the setting mist because I'm in need of one. The iconic London eyeshadow palette. Of course, I don't need another eyeshadow palette, but this one looks really good, so I'm excited to try that as well. The only new brand in here to me is this SL Miss Glam. The rest of them I've heard of before or tried before. One of the things I always say this, but one of the things I really like about receiving these boxes is I discover a lot of new brands and products from brands that I love that I haven't tried yet. So it's always good to expand my horizons with these boxes. And one more box, which I have to assume is the Ipsy Icon box. The Icon box, I believe, is a quarterly subscription, and it's kind of like the Boxycharm Luxe box. So this will have like about 8 products in it. Okay, so here it is. Everything's kind of floating around a bit, but that's okay. And there is 8 products, so I was right. So we're gonna start with this one because it's really catching my eye here. This is from JLo Beauty. I haven't tried anything from JLo Beauty yet, but this is the That JLo Glow Serum. So I haven't really heard much about this brand, to be honest with you. Like, I remember that when she launched it, like, it was a big deal, but then once it launched, I hadn't heard anything. So I'm excited to try this out. Let's see how much it's worth. Oh my god, okay, so this That JLo Glow Serum is worth $79. So is this going to turn me into JLo? I would love to know. It says here, tighten, brighten, apply to dry, clean skin, and PM let absorb completely and dry down before moisturizing. I have a feeling this was supposed to come with another, like, in a box, but it didn't, because it says here, see outer box or insert for warning, but it doesn't say anything. I don't know, but in any case, like, it doesn't look used or anything. Maybe the box just didn't fit. I don't know. Next, from the brand Beauty Stat, I don't believe I've tried anything from this brand before. This is the Universal Pro Bio Moisture Boost Cream for all skin. It says hyaluronic acid ceramides, ultimate hydration, bioferment, nutrient complex, heals, detoxifies, and strengthens. Love a good moisturizer because my skin is dry as anything lately. So let's see. Okay, so this is worth $50. This is the 1 ounce one. There's also a 1.7 ounce one, which looks like it's worth $70 from Ulta. But in any case, I'm excited to try this. Okay, next from a brand that of course I know is from MAC. This is their Magic Extension 5mm fiber mascara. I haven't tried a mascara from MAC just yet, so I'll have to try this. If there's any makeup product that I love trying out, it is definitely mascara. I am a mascara sucker. Okay, and according to Ulta, this is worth $26, so that's what? $185, I believe. My math may be wrong, so like take this as an estimate. Ooh, okay, next from Glow Recipe. Absolutely love Glow Recipe. This is their Guava Vitamin C Bright Eye Gel Cream. Here it is here. I believe I have another eye cream from Glow Recipe that I just recently was like, oh, I need to try this, if I still haven't. I love their packaging. It's so stinking cute. I love a good eye cream. If there's one thing about me, I will use a product. Like, I will try a product, and once I open it, I will use that product until it's completely empty. I don't know why I do it. I think it's because like part of me is like, I need to see if it really makes a difference. So I'm in the middle of another eye cream right now. So once I'm done that eye cream, I can try one of my other eye creams, and I'm probably gonna go for a Glow Recipe eye cream next. Okay, and according to Sephora, this is worth $38. So that's $223 so far, I believe. And next from Too Faced, this is their Killer Liner, 36-hour non-flaking, transfer-resistant, total control, 36-hour waterproof eyeliner. Not usually a fan of waterproof eyeliners or waterproof mascaras just because they're harsh to take off, but I'm willing to try anything. And according to the Too Faced website, this is worth $23. $2.46. My math skills are still sort of there. Okay, next, Anastasia Beverly Hills. This is the Brow Genius Brow Serum. We've got some like cult classic brands in this box, I feel like. Here the Brow Genius. I haven't tried this, but I love their clear brow gel. It says a daily conditioning serum for brows. Apply to clean brows, focusing on sparse areas. Allow serum to fully dry for best results. Use twice daily for 8 weeks. My brows are really uneven and just have some sparse areas, and other areas are really thick. They really need to be done really bad, but hopefully this will like help me even them out. I'll have to try it. Wow, okay. And according to Ulta's website and the ABH website, this is worth $65. So we're at, let me see, $311, I think. Okay, another product from Anastasia Beverly Hills. This is the Soft Glam 2 palette. I don't usually see in these boxes, you don't usually see more than one product from the same brand. So I wonder if they have like a deal this month or something. Oh, even the like palette itself is soft. So here a nice little like neutral palette. I'll swatch Sultry, which is this one right here. I always swatch the like shimmer shades because they're just so nice. There, very nice, very pigmented. I mean, you'd expect that from this brand. Okay, and lastly, the brand Earth Harbor, another brand that I love. This is their Glow Juice Refining Enzyme Mask. Now, I've never tried this product, but I have tried quite a few products from Earth Harbor and I love them. Oh, that even looks nice. All of their products are like very like aesthetically pleasing looking. Ooh, it smells delicious too. It's like a jelly mask. It says gently resurfaces, soothes, hydrates, refines, and clarifies. A Purple Paradise, this powerful, fast-acting AHA BHA gel mask naturally resurfaces and cools and hydrates and firm skin with red seaweed, fruit enzymes, white willow bark, and aloe leaf juice to reveal greater clarity, look of improved skin texture and tone, and a more youthful glow, all without irritating your skin. Apply clean skin, leave on 3+ minutes, and rinse. Okay, and according to Earth Harbor's website, this is worth $38. So there's the icon box. Barring my math, I believe the estimate of this box's value is around like $350. Around $350. I think this was a good one. I think there was a good even mix of both skincare and makeup in this one, which is great because especially in the summertime, I tend to lean a lot towards skincare just because I don't like to cake makeup onto my face in the summer just because I'm always sweating, I'm always outside, and I'm gonna sweat it off, especially when I'm outside with the baby this year. I'm not gonna have time for a lot of makeup that's just gonna sweat right off in a few hours anyway. So if there's any products in particular that you would like to know more about or like to see me review and test and all that stuff, please leave comments, leave me messages, all that good stuff. I will post shorts, I'll post more videos. I'm hoping to post more long form videos in the future. I go back to work in a few weeks, so we're gonna have to see how I can balance all this. I'm gonna figure it out though, I always do. And definitely follow me on Instagram. I'll leave links to that below. And on my Instagram, I always share, oh, there's a hair. Anyway, I always share different products in my stories, and if I'm liking them, if I'm not liking them, what I'm trying, all that good stuff. I also recently made a Lemon8 account. If you're not on Lemon8, definitely get on there. It's awesome. I'll leave a link to my profile on that below as well. And if you don't already do so, make sure you click the red button to subscribe to my channel. Click the bell next to it to be notified whenever I post. And thank you for joining me this week. Again, I hope to be back more often, and I hope you guys have a great week ahead.